Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rob with the Campbell Chronicles and thanks for joining us today. Here on this channel we discuss all things family, travel, and Disney. So if any of those are of value to you, highly recommend subscribing to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our future content to come. And before we get started guys, we do have a giveaway going on. Right now it's for this Darth Vader Lego helmet set. This guy retails for $70 in the store, unopened, factory sealed. From me to you. This is to celebrate reaching our goal of 700 subscribers. So guys, 70 bucks for 700 subscribers. That's a pretty good deal. Get yours here for free. We do have videos that give details on how to enter, but you do have to be a subscriber to enter this giveaway. So go ahead and enter and you'll have your chance at winning this one for free. Let's go ahead and jump into the unboxing. I've been back and forth on this subject guys for about 2 to 3 years now. I finally decided to pull the trigger. If you didn't guess by the title, that's right, I finally decided to pull the trigger on becoming a gold member with D23. What prompted this decision was a trip out to Florida I actually happened to line up during one of the D23 experiences out there. I didn't get tickets. I was there. I was in virtual queue, but they were sold out within probably a couple minutes of me actually getting my chance to buy a ticket. That's okay. I'm still happy to be a member of D23 because of what it offers. D23 is going to send you out a monthly magazine that covers some news, highlights, and more. So I'm excited for that alone. But also, guys, they sent out this box here, and that's what today's video is about, is this right here, an unboxing of the D23 Gold membership box. This is going to be a celebration box for the 50 magical years that Walt Disney World has had so far. So yeah, let's go ahead and just jump in. I'm excited to see what's in here. I haven't opened it yet, so let's go ahead and see. All right, so I just brought the camera down a little bit to help you see better. So let's go ahead and open this up. All right, so pulling the flap open, and oh, look at that. That is cool. All right, so on the very lid it says, "Welcomes Robert Campbell to the official Disney fan club." I've been a Disney fan for years. I don't know if I need an official certificate, but sure, I'll take it. And then on top here, it gives you this little pamphlet here. This is going to be welcome to the club, and it has a bunch of news and some announcements as far as what's going to be available to me and what's coming, it looks like. So I'm excited to dive more into that. That's pretty awesome. And then some more merch. Let's check out some more of this merch here. This is what the inside of the box looks like. So on top here, I don't know what this is, and I'll be honest guys, when I signed up I saw advertisements for this box, but I didn't really look too deeply, so this is kind of all new to me. Oh, this is cool. All right, so I'm just gonna set the box down. I'm gonna pull this piece out right here. Okay, so I took it out, and this is what it shows underneath. This is so cool. They have little Mickey ears that were holding this thing here in place, and then you got the orange bird there. That's cool. Let's take a look at this. This is interesting. All right, so this is going to be the Vacation Kingdom to the World Then and Now. 50 years of Walt Disney World. On the back it says Bear Band Serenade. Oh, okay, that's pretty cool. It looks like this is going to be a vinyl. So I want to open this. Let's take a look at this. Oh my gosh, yep. Look at that, guys. Yes, this is a vinyl, all right. This is worth its weight right here. Oh, this is cool. I don't have anything to play this on, I just realized. That's okay. Wow, look at that. That is so cool. Guys, I'm in love with this. Holy smokes. Oh, I love that. That is awesome. All right, so what this has here, on side A, it has the Bear Band Serenade. And on side B, it has one of my most favorite songs, Nothing Can Stop Us Now, from Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. I actually really love that song. It's one of my favorite Disney songs as of late. So I love this. This is so cool. I'm very excited for this one. Let's take a dive in and see what else we can find. All right, so now over here they have, looks like, oh yep, this is just another placeholder over here for, has the same Mickeys that hold it in, but this is gonna be my D23 membership card, and there's nothing in for, no pertinent information on the front other than it says that I'm a gold member. That's pretty cool. It has my name and member ID in the back and the expiration date, so I'm not gonna flip that around, sorry guys. But that is what the front looks like right there. And looks like there's even more underneath. Let's check this out. I'm gonna take this certificate and slide it over so we can kind of not ruin anything here. And I'm gonna lift this up here. I love that orange bird. Oh my gosh, I love this. Holy smokes, look at this, guys. This is what I'm trying to get out right here. It's very well packed inside. Oh my gosh, this looks amazing. Oh, that is awesome. This is a 10 here, if you didn't hear it. But I'm going to open it. I don't think there's anything in it, but... Oh, I was wrong. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. It has a whole D23 pin set. You got one of the bears. You got DJ Rex, or Rex from Star Tours back in the day. Oh, the Yeti, Orange Bird with Disney World, and Figment. Holy smokes. I love this pin set. This is so cool. Oh, yes. I love this one. This is so fun. If you look on the side, they have different attractions. It's just, gosh, this is so fun. There's the contemporary. Oh, I like that. 20,000 Leagues. And then over here. So good. And you have the Carnotaurus, Electric Light Parade, Ratatouille. That is so cool. On the back here, you have a bunch more characters. You got characters from Rafiki, Figment, characters from Pirates. There's the bird up there from, I believe that's from the new Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railroad ride, the orange bird there. Anyways, so fun. Cosmic Ray. Guys, I love this. This is going to be on display. I love this one. That's so cool. So between the vinyl and this, I'm like totally worth the membership. And there's more. Looking on the back of the box, I forgot to mention, you can see the whole big Mickey Disney World symbol there. That's pretty sweet. Orange and blue, one of my favorite color combos. Love it. And now we're going to open up this flap here. Oh, yep. And this, I do remember seeing, is the pennant. All right. So this is the D23 official Disney fan club. This is awesome. This is going to be hung up in my office here. I love this. This is so cool. I love exclusive merchandise, and so part of the awesomeness of being a D23 member is the exclusive merchandise. So, that is so cool. All right, so that's the box, guys. I just love how clever they are with the box. The box itself is so cool. You got the little Mickey holders there, and you got over here as well. It's just so fun. I have to say, my favorite thing about this is one of these. It's either this pin set here with everything inside, or it's the vinyl. I might just have to buy a vinyl machine so I can listen to this. I don't know if I'm one of those guys that likes to keep everything mint, because I like to enjoy the things I have. I mean, yeah, I'm going to keep it nice. I'm not going to ruin it or damage it, but I know there's people out there like, don't open that, don't open that. And I'm like, I want to open it. I want to listen to it. So, I mean, I don't plan on selling this stuff. So, as of right now, at least, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Are you a D23 member? Have you signed up? Have you got your box yet? I'm still waiting on my first issue of the magazine yet, so that's shortly to come, but I love this. This is so cool. So let me know what you think in the comments below, and thanks again for watching, and remember, adventure is out there.